Good morning. Today's day 7 of the 30-day challenge, and the topic is to share 5 tips about my niche or area. And I was reading through the 30-day escape plan, and I just wanted to go over the Everwealth formula with you. The first point is to there's really 5 points in the plan, and so I wanted to just kind of touch on them to review them. The first one is to pick an area that interests you, the ones that you have passion in. It could be in the area of health, it could be in the area of business, it could be in any area, but something that you have a deep passion in, and that therefore that gives you an advantage of being kind of an expert on that area. And so that's the first point. The next thing is um, pick a product that's done for you 100%. Something that's already put together, and so that all you have to do is plug and play, put it in and get it going. Um, then you need to, number 3, the third point is to send traffic to a pre-built capture page and follow that up with a thank you page. And in the capture page, your prospective customer puts their email and gives you at least their name and their email, so that you can automatically with an autoresponder start giving them information and start helping them in their business, in their what their hopes and dreams are. And so that's important. And also, you need to make sure you get the handshake page as part of that, so that they get to know you personally. And this is kind of out of my comfort zone, but these videos, and this is really where people get to see you, get to hear you, get to kind of sense whether you're honest or dishonest or whatever. And that's kind of a cool thing, I think. And we've never had video years ago. This is a new thing that really is sweeping the industry, the online industry. And as your list builds, start giving them value. That means giving them something every day if you can. An email is very important. Get them to open your emails, get them to expect your emails, get them to know you through your emails and through other things. You can connect all kinds of data through the links in your emails, through video or just text or use all the different medias that are available. Or you can also give them additional gifts or PDFs or on all kinds of things. And then the final thing is you want them eventually to be led to different levels of products that will give you sales, and then we'll make you some commissions. So that's basically it. And if you can set that up effectively and so that people can follow it easily, and it's done for you by somebody else, then it makes it that much easier for you to make money. So that's my tip for today, and I hope you have a great day.